Hello everyone, I'm Xiao He. Today we are going to taste the cheese rice cake. The ingredient I'm using the cheese rice cake from Jack&King. I heard that it has a chewy texture on the outside and a rich cheese flavor on the inside. Let's see. Moreover, this rice cake can be cooked in various ways. It can be steamed, boiled, fried, or grilled. Today we are using the hot pot. This rice cake does not need to thaw, just put it in the pot and cook for 3 minutes. The whole cooking process is very convenient, no cooking skill are required. You can enjoy delicious cheese rice cake without any hassle. Let's taste it! After taking a bite, the original rice cake on the outside is very chewy. The cheese inside is also very rich in flavor. This Jack&King's cheese rice cake is indeed a perfect combination of cheese and rice cake. It's very delicious. I recommend everyone to try it. That's all the content of this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Jack&King's, a taste of China, anytime, anywhere.